Good day, Paper Army. I have got the screws or the propellers onto the onto the Titanic, aka the White Starliner. As you can see, this is all part of the build-up process that you have to do. This is the stand for it. And the nice thing about that is that it holds it really, really well on there. And as you can see, these are all the high spots. You have to sand it down. That's why I use white paper and brown paper, and I go around it. Now what I'm working on right now is I'm getting that mast to stay put. It's a very interesting situation that is going on. Now, those are the, yeah, I made those from staples and some jewelry wire, old jewelry chain. But anyway, this is it. It's 30 inches long. It's 1 to 130th scale. And if anybody's been watching this build, you know that I've been working on it now for a few months. All right, this is the cool thing about building with paper. You can do anything you want. It just takes time. And the paper's free. Doesn't cost nothing for the paper. Comes in my kitchen. It's all chipboard, and I use it a lot. This part up here, I had to build a piece inside of there to hold the mast up straight. Now the thing is, I'm going to build a different kind of holder for this while I'm working on it, because it has to sit upright now. Because I've got these on here, and these will bend really easy. Okay, it's something that'll happen, and you can't fix them. When they get bent enough, they break, and you can't take this out and fix it. So I'm going to be very careful with them. In other words, I'm going to build something that will hold this hull back here in the back, and one in the front. Anyway, once you're doing stuff like this, you will find all kinds of different things to make. It's unending. Everything in this world that there is, you can make it out of paper, pretty much. There's some joints that you can't get to work like that. I have one of the people that I've been talking with actually figured out how to make ball joints. And I think that is just a stunning thing to have happen, because I don't know how to do that. And so anyway, you guys, this is the White Starliner, aka the Titanic. And it took a long time to get to this point. It really did. All right, you guys, I love you all. Take care, Paper Army. Salute.